Hey guys, Kevin Fatty here, and welcome to the overview video for Results AI Testimonials. So this is the homepage dashboard of AI Testimonials, and basically on this page you will be able to see the amount of testimonials you have live, those that are pending review, your average rating, the total amount of testimonials, and then you've got some quick actions here like add a testimonial, import, get a shortcut, collection video, and again review. And you can see all your recent testimonials that come in here. So if you're getting testimonials daily or weekly, they'll always show here. And here you can click view all testimonials. So this is the dashboard. On the next page, you'll see testimonials. So basically, this are all the testimonials that I currently have in the system. You have a search feature here. You have a filter feature. You can click by the amount of stars, 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, etc. And sorry, that is actually live. And then you've got pending here as well. And then you've got embed only, which basically embed only is one of the reasons I created this is for JV screenshots and income screenshots, which we guys obviously like to use on our sales page. I've been doing this for decades, and you could say over the years a lot of these images have gone missing, and there's something that I'm actually raging that I lost. So what I'm going to do, and the idea of this is I can upload all these proof screenshots here into the Results AI testimonial and have them basically for life, ready to use on any project I want. So that is the testimonial page. On every single testimonial, you've got a lot of options. You can make it live, you can edit it, you can feature it. This is verified. We'll get into the settings later. You've got shortcuts, you've got a reply draft, you can tag the testimonial, you can repurpose the testimonial, you can archive it, you can spam it, delete it. So just for example, if you want to repurpose any testimonial, you've got your ad snippet here, you've got your email burp, you've got your social media post. That works for absolutely everything. Okay, the next is the products. Now, when you look at this, I've got a lot of products here, and you will notice that some of them are in the forms or in our actual testimonial form. We've got a drop-down box saying which product would you like to give a testimonial for. And the reason all these products listed here instantly basically is I was able to import all my Warrior Plus testimonials. And when it imports, it obviously creates a folder for every single product as well. Of course, at the very end, you can add as many new products as you want. One of the products that I added here would have been basically a general testimonial. And you can see that's been used for many as well. So that is the folders. This is the default folder you can set. I've set that to general testimonial, and you can just remove them. Okay. Next is import. We've got three awesome, powerful features here. You have Warrior Plus import. So basically, you just put in one URL from your Warrior Plus profile. It imports all of the testimonials, the name, the product name, and it even imports the profile photos of that. So if you were to look at, as you've seen with all my testimonials, there's a lot of profile photos in there. 90% of them are basically automatically imported in two ways. One, we've got Aviator, which basically, if someone has their email connected to the profile photo, that works. And if someone has uploaded a testimonial on Warrior Plus, and they have a profile photo on Warrior Plus, again, it's going to be automatically imported. Next, that is the Warrior Plus. We have Smart Paste, which basically means you can paste in any amount of testimonials, copy paste them from a sales page, and they will show up here and go automatically into the system. I'll just do a quick example here, just like that. If you have AI connected, we'll talk about that as well. You can paste in any sales page URL, and it will pull the testimonials from the sales page as well. Obviously, you can auto-create, you can put them into any folder, you can put them as approved, etc. When it maps them out, it'll say, would you like to approve? And then we have the CSV import. Generally, because we've got so much cool features here. You've got Smart Page, you've got import via AI with the sales page, and you've got Warrior Plus. A lot of people might not use this, but let's say you've got hundreds of testimonials on Amazon or some other site like that. You can create a CSV file and basically automatically import everything as well, any way you want, and again, improve it with AI. So that is the import feature. That's basically how I went from a blank site to hundreds of testimonials in probably a few minutes. Right, next we have display and embed. There is just absolutely outstanding features here. What you've got here is you can have unlimited batches. You can display and embed on all websites, any website you want, WordPress blog, it doesn't matter. And you can have new testimonials for every product, every page, general testimonials, everything. It just works out really, really cool. So there is so many different features here. You have classic, you've clean, you've midnight. You can change it any way you want. You can change the colors. You can say, do you want the stars, product, date? Everything can be included like that. And you have grid, masonry, list, carousel, single, and images. So it is just outstanding in that sense. Right, let's just quickly talk about the display options that you have. This is a shortcut, which basically means it will work on any on your WordPress site. You can paste it anywhere. I'm generally using this on a lot of my pages because I can use this on any website, any sales page. And if I update this here with a new testimonial or anything like that, it automatically updates on the page as well. So this is one of my favorite features for when I want to customize it more. For example, I would like to take this testimonial here. I would like to paste it into HTML. And if you're using Vibe coding, we'll be doing training videos on that. I would just copy all this here into Vibe coding and saying put these testimonials on my sales page and use the same design as the sales page. You have a PHP function here as well, and you've got a floating pop-up function. So for example, here you can see the preview. You can have a floating pop-up. You can have a bottom right, top left, top right, bottom right, bottom left. And again, it just works out really, really cool. So you've got unlimited options and unlimited displays with this. You can put in as many as you want. For example, you can create a new batch here. I can select absolutely everything and choose the one I want, masonry. Click on preview. And here we have everything here like that. It is just outstanding. So that is display. It's make it super easy for you to display, but we're also making it super easy for you to collect testimonials as well. So basically, I have my one default form here. You can create as many as you want, and you can see here, choose the product, your rating, your name, email, etc. And once you save this form, basically, you can edit it. You can change the theme. You can do anything you want with it. And let me just look at this. This does update, and you've got the. Sorry, I just need to click edit first. That will be working absolutely flawless. Do not worry about that. But basically, just like the display method, the forms are completely customizable. With the form, you need to understand it will display. Again, I'm using the form on various different websites, and so it doesn't matter what domain it's on. So I'm using the HTML. It's not as customizable because obviously there's PHP in it, and it obviously has to collect the data and save the data, everything like that. So you can customize it any way you want. You can add custom fields, you can add custom questions, you can add drop down paragraphs. It is absolutely fantastic. I'm sorry, you can see here now this is how it updates. You can update the width, update the corners, everything you want. Right, just two things you need to look at this. Actually, sorry, you can have different forms, and obviously the forms connects to the GIFs as well. You can test it, you can clone it, etc. Let's go to the cool part about this. In, testimonials are a super, super important part of your business in order to grow and scale. Collecting testimonials is sometimes easier said than done, and one of the ways to entice people to do that is actually offer them a gift. And if you look at our testimonial page here, I'll show you. Basically, leave a review, get a free gift. So basically, when someone signs up here, we can automatically give them a gift, or we can give them a gift once it's approved. I have set it to approval for now. So you can have unlimited. If you have the pro version, you've got unlimited gifts. If you've got the basic version, you've got one gift. In general, both work absolutely perfect. So this is enable gifting. You can change the name, change the email, the campaign URL. You can choose the gift page. You've got the message, the reward link. You can put in coupons. You've got a title, and you can send customizable emails with this. Again, if you've got AI, installed, you can improve the email with AI with one click. And it's just really, really cool. Add as many GIFs if you want. And then you've got a default letter as well. You can preview here and see the email. You've got an editor here, which you can basically, so what you see is what you get editor. You can look at the code and you can put in anything you want. Next is integrations on AI. Right, I want to be 100% straightforward with this. I did 95% of the work and all the testimonials on this site without AI. I just wanted to make sure everything works flawlessly without AI. With AI installed, you've got a few extra features, such as we said, you can get replies, you can get repurpose it. This is an AI feature. You can tag it. This is an AI feature. And one of the really cool things I did like about this is when you import all the testimonials from certain places, they've got no headline, and AI will come along and give every single testimonial a headline like that. That it just works out really good. I'll just give you another example here. Just let me click on edit. You can repurpose. So, for example, if this headline was not that good, Warrior Plus is coming in frequently. Excellent. You can click suggest and strong. This is you can use this headline, save it. So that is just one of the features. It is not required, guys, in any way, shape, or form. But if you're into AI and use it, definitely just connect it. You can connect your I'm not going to scroll down here because I don't want to reveal the key, but you can connect your Claude or your OpenAI ChatGPT key, and it just everything works in that sense. Right, the other integrations here. If you have a WP Sync user, this is one of our other plugins. Basically, anytime someone sends in a testimonial, you can add them to any WP Sync. So you can add them to any autoresponder, you can send them a follow-up email series, etc. You can automate the GIFs in a better way if you want via your autoresponder. It's entirely up to you. You've got webhooks here as well, which basically you can do anything you want with that. And then you've got when after I approve the testimonial or the moment I send, when do you want to send the GIFs? So that is that. Let me just click on save. That is AI integrations. It integrates with WP Sync and it integrates with Claude API and do ChatGPT. Okay, here we've got our activity here. Every single thing that is imported or anything like that is recorded here. You can see I just imported 7 Warrior Plus pages of testimonials here. And you can see all these. It's just a complete outline of everything that's happening. Training page, this is obviously a training video as well, but there is going to be over 12 training videos if they are needed. But inside all our WordPress plugins, we have basically full on training covering absolutely everything. And it's just something you can use as well. Diagnosis is basically, it shows everything about your WordPress site. If there's a problem or anything like that, it will show up here. You've got settings. This is just more of training, your license portal support, and you can obviously change the theme around as well. Again, this is a setting in all of our plugins. You've got settings here, collection mode, auto thank you reply, the funnel review, in dashboard prompts, and you've got developer keys here as well. That is settings. Now let's go on to Pro. For those who purchased Pro, there's got some another features here. We will obviously be doing training videos. You've got a video testimonial recorder. So when you're collecting testimonials, people can click and just start recording a video directly inside the testimonial builder. You've got campaign GIFs on or off. You've got Google star reviews. You've got watermarking your proof images. You've got QR collection offline. So you can collect testimonials with a QR code. Again, perfect for any offline business. You've got the webhooks. You've got import, export ready. And you've got display and displayed. These are just some of the Pro features. Basically, these are included in the basic as well. Pro AI is bulk AI import. And it will suggest all the headlines. It will, if someone has no stars, it will update them. It will score them. It will polish word. And just some really, really cool bulk AI features here. Score all of them, show my best 10, win back replies. The quote card maker is very, very cool. So for example, I would like a code card for this. Generate card. Boom. That can be pasted, used on social media, anything you want. The review request outreach. This again, I really love. For example, someone that purchased Bonus Builder AI, and I want a professional outreach to write them an email and say, here, would you please provide a testimonial for our product? And here you can see, okay, quick favor, share your bonus builder experience, everything like that is here. So guys, that is just an overview of the complete system. It is just absolutely fantastic. I look forward to seeing you in the next training videos.